Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another episode of Off the Rails. Today you can see behind me, but we're at the Elham Valley Railway Line Trust. This was actually the home of obviously the old Elham Valley line that actually ran from Folkestone to Canterbury and connected, and it closed in 1947, and they've opened up a museum here sort of dedicated to the line, and obviously they've got railway artefacts and they've got a 7¼ inch railway, and I have messaged them today and the steam's running. We all love steam. Going to be a good day, so let's do this.
Little capitals in one side and full-size capitals in the other, and all the little letters in the lower text.
That's cool. And to you, or to the little sisters, may be the last that I shall write or you read. I do not want you to think that I am depressed. Indeed, on the contrary, I'm very cheerful. But out here, in odd moments, the realisation comes to me of how close death is to us. A week ago, I was talking with a man from Preston who'd been out here for nearly 4 years, untouched. He was looking forward with certainty to going on leave soon. And now he is dead, killed in a moment during our last advance. Well, it was God's will. I say this to you because I hope that you will realise, as I do, the possibility of the like happening to myself. I feel very glad myself that I can look the fact in the face without fear or misgiving, much as I hope to live through it all for your sakes and my little sisters.
So over here, guys, I thought I'd show you. So this is a Meccano, by the looks of it, scale model of the Bushbuster. So the Bushbuster was actually an armoured railway cannon, and it was brought back into service at the instigation of Winston Churchill at sort of near the start of the Second World War. It was actually housed at the Bishopbourne Tunnel on the Elham Valley line. So yeah, it's one of their little claim to fame. There's a lot of history of this little line here. Not the miniature railway, of course, but then obviously you've got the spam can, the Bully Pacific there. No, that's actually Winston Churchill, because that's a double O gauge model of the funeral train that pulled Winston Churchill's coffin on the day. Yeah, it's a cool little place, this. Over here again as well, you've got various different uniforms, British Railway uniforms that all the workers would have worn back in the day. Yeah, it's cool. But I think now what we'll do is we'll head on to the train. So this is another interesting little fact here. It's got a lot of history in this tiny little line. So here they've actually got an Anderson shelter back from the Second World War. There's actually a real one that came from a garden in South London, and it's over there in the corner. I'll zoom in for you guys just so you can see it. Really fascinating. So that's been our visit to the Elm Line Trust Visitor Centre and Miniature Railway. Really hope you've enjoyed that. What a quirky little place. There's so much history here, especially in terms of the war effort and the building of the Eurotunnel as well, which is obviously this place is sponsored by. So I really would applaud you to come here. Fascinating little place. Unfortunately, the steam engine, as we turned up, did break down. So we're going to have to come back here, and they do have a steam event in July. So if you're interested, come down here with miniature traction edges, things like that. But what I thought we'd do, seeing as we're going to be heading that way anyway, I thought we would pop down to Folkestone and see the old Folkestone Harbor station and just see what they've done to it, because they have completely revamped it and they've put a lot of money into that, and it just looks stunning from what I've seen. And then obviously we can see the old track bed as well. Thought it might make an interesting end to the video, so let's go. And here we are down in Folkestone Harbor, guys. So as you can see, the track is still in place here. I believe, I want to say the last the last train that pulled in here was around 2005 before the station closed, I want to say. And I know it was a rail tour. I can't remember who pulled that, what locomotive pulled that. But yeah, and I've heard plans as well that they're going to look into opening this up into sort of a nature sort of walkway, a reserve. And I think they should. It'd be nice if they can keep the tracks in place, but yeah, looks really nice. But what I think we'll do is now we'll head on to the Harbour station and I'll show you what they've done in terms of revamping it.
Оце в мене депресія в національній галереї. Оце в мене депресія на перетворі. Оце в мене депресія.
So yeah guys, like I say, that's been our trip to the Elham Valley line, as well as obviously the Folkestone Harbor. This one's decided to join the video right in the last minute. What were you doing earlier?
I was sleeping in the car.
Yeah, sleeping in the car. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.